Our top story tonight, an historic effort in the fight against COVID-19, the first doses of the vaccine here in Nevada. Thank you so much for joining us at 6 o'clock. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
Good evening. I'm Brian Loftus. UMC started vaccinating people earlier today. The first dose is given to about 200 of its frontline healthcare workers earlier today. Orko Manna now joining us live from UMC with more on this big day. Orko.
Well, Brian and Kirsten, UMC has made history becoming the first hospital in Nevada to start administering the COVID-19 vaccine to some of its frontline healthcare workers. Now, this really signals a turning point in our state's fight against the coronavirus. The very first allocation of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine arrived at UMC this morning. The hospital got just over 1,800 doses. UMC thawed some of it immediately and began vaccinating about 200 frontline workers, including staff from the intensive care unit, the emergency department, and other key areas of the hospital. The first person to get the vaccine at UMC was actually an ICU nurse treating COVID-19 patients who were told went right back to work after getting it. The remaining doses are being stored in the hospital's ultra-cold freezer until they're used. UMC's CEO says they have a distribution plan, but the focus right now is on medical staff.
Nursing home patients are the most vulnerable, so we'll be working very closely with the nursing home community and the health district to be able to roll that out to make sure that we're protecting the healthcare workers in nursing homes, but also in patients in the nursing homes. And we'll also be looking at our patients that are in UMC as well. We need to get through the healthcare workers first.
UMC expects to vaccinate close to 5,000 frontline workers over the next 7 to 8 days. And some more promising news, the UMC CEO says that he's confident in the supply chain of the vaccine coming into Nevada, so he actually expects the general public to start getting vaccinated by late January or early February, which is earlier than previously predicted. Reporting live tonight, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.